Hi everyone, welcome back in my channel. I'm today again with new project. Today we made like that small barbecue grill. It's not very big, it's very small, and that it's very easy. You can take with self somewhere go, or just on garden. If you don't have a big family, it's perfect way for you. Not need a lot of charcoals. It's very economical, and let me explain you how to do. As always, you can get scabloons and drawings download from my website. A link is under my video. Here you can see how it looks drawing. Most important thing probably is print out my drawing. It's made on A4 sheet, and you can just cut out scabloons like this one part, and this one should be 6 parts, but you scabloons don't need anyway each of one. Just cut out with scissors, and after that on sheet metal put on top, draw around, and after that with angle grinder you can cut out. How looks parts? I told you need 6 of these parts. So you see here it's already parts. You need 1 of this one. After that we need I use stainless steel rod, 5mm, 5-6 mil, it's fine, on different lengths. These parts you need totally 2, 4, 6, 8, 11 parts. Now you can see it's on different lengths here. Okay. After that you need, I use a 20 by 20 box section. Measurements you can see on my drawing. Here's pre-drilled holes. You can drill out, mark and drill out manually with small hand drill. You can use bigger drills, stand drills, whatever you have and what's better for you. After that I use flat bar for 40 by 3 mil. We need made like this part, 2 of them. How it's done? It's just 90 angle. Here is angle you can see on drawing, and again you can print out drawing and cut out a scabloon. Just cut out a part and you use like scabloon. Here it's a first show by what I do. It's drill a holes. When you have a holes, just you can use angle, and just where it comes to edge, just draw a line, every single line, and after that from this direction, like here, just we cut here and here, and when it's reached this point it falls out. After that, of course, a little bit clean out and get a nice part. After that we need 2 of these parts and 2 of these parts. Here I bit of save time for video and prepare a ready part, which one comes for grill. That is the first part, second part and third part. It's all together, and here should be 90 degrees. And one of like this flange, it can be round, it can be square. I have at this moment 8mm. Why I use 8mm? That's for one reason. When this charcoal grill be more stable. It don't try to fall, because we can this grill take in and take out, and one piece for handle. Okay, let's do start now. One more thing before we start. Big thank you to them who subscribe, who likes, who write a comments. Okay, now we can start. We start with self try. First we need this part, and after that we need go around like this way. Hope you can see good. Yeah. Main thing what we do first, that it's a just approximately on angle, approximately, not really, just we catch on some places, not really on corner, but somewhere on 2 points, and after that we can pre-bend. When we get next one, we can correct a little bit angle all around, and we get a main shape. Let's start now. We switch on welding machine. For easy work, I use 70 by 70 box section offcut. You can use anything, just something underneath, when you can put on top, and just pre-holding like that, and just catch. Okay, without the welding mask. How you see, first one, it's ready. Go with next one. Now we have two of these parts. We go with the next one. Okay, I adjust my angles. Every corner, everything is fine. I will see here some dots. I touch here some dots, and if you put on table, it don't shakes. That means every single angle is okay. It don't shakes. It's plus minus straight. And now what we need to do? All full welding around, and after that grind off. Okay, let's do it. Okay, how you can see, everything is welded, full welding. Now it's warm. We leave it on some moment when it cools down. And now I have here this one part, remember, which one it comes as leg 1, 2, 3 parts. And I need to get welded this one as well. Here it is, this part. This part and this part, and I weld together and grind when this cool down. I use this one as scabbon. When both parts it's same. Okay, next one is ready. It's welded and need only grind. We have now to this part. Okay, all parts it's cooled down. And now it's time grind. We can grind this one, we can grind this one. Okay, let's do it. Okay, oh, it's a nice grinded. I will see these two parts. It's ready. And this part as well. I will see everything, it's nice. And now what we can do, we can weld underneath this part. Measurements and distance, all you can find on drawing. Let's do it now. Okay, legs welded, and now we can weld the feet. I take my part, yours can be different shape, different 6 mil, 5 mil plate, a bit of weight need underneath when it stays stable. And put here. Okay, so you see, now it stays stable. This one we can leave for a moment. Next what we need made a self grill rack. I have here, how I told, prepared pipe. For best result I use 30 by 30 tubes. And what I do, I hope I don't lose my bars. For every single bar we just with sandpaper we clean end and a little bit make a chamber when not sharp edge. We just at first moment we wear in everyone, and after that we adjust. All measurements you can take from drawing. It's always ready. Don't forget, press like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and write a comment. Okay, and what's now? I sort out which one is which. And now we take a measure tape and just we take a measurement 6, 5.5, and we just take a little bit. Okay, and now from this side as well. Okay, how you see, it's okay. And I do it from the bottom as well. Okay, ready, done. Nice first smoke. And now we need weld this part, which one comes here. Okay. Okay. We can try. Create space. Different heights. And last thing, what we need to do, we need weld in here some bar, and on this bar can wear a wood handle. Just some round wood you can buy. A lot of shops, some building shops, maybe some other handle you can use just on this existing handle or wood, drill out same diameter hole, and after that you can wear on. Okay, project is done. I only don't wear a wood handle yet. All is painted. How you look? Nice mini grill. Take out. If we want, we can adjust height. You can lower. Nice handy barbecue mini grill. And you can cook. Of course, I forget to drill a hole. You need to drill a hole. On drawing you can see. That's not a big deal. I can drill later, and after that repaint. That's not a big deal. That is for better air ventilation. You can try this out if you don't want to, but the best way is to do a couple of holes. Nice one. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, write comments, write active comments. That helps for channel, for grow. Google recommends for other people. Share it. And see you soon on next project. Thank you for watching. Bye.